Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the stand from your ASUS ROG XG27W. Keep watching to find out how. So a couple of things you're going to need to perform this task is either fingernails, which I don't have, so I'm going to resort to a flat-headed screwdriver, and also you'll need a PH2 screwdriver or something similar to remove the screws from underneath the cover. So first thing you want to do is to actually place the monitor onto a flat, clean surface, ideally with some sort of microfiber cloth or some sort of cushioning underneath it, just to protect these outside edges of the monitor. So with the screen down flat, looking at the outer bezel around this outside edge, at the bottom there's a little bit an indentation, so we'll come around and show you that a little bit more clearly. So hopefully from the camera angle you can see that, so there's an indentation there. So what you're going to do is either get your finger or something in there. We're going to use a screwdriver. So with your screwdriver underneath there, just gently lever this section up and this plastic lug will pop out. So that's just a couple of lugs to hold that in place. Then what you can do is with the rest of this, you just lift that up, prise it open, which you probably didn't see that very well, so I'm going to turn it around. And what you can do is get a screwdriver under there, just lift that up a little bit, and the same on the other side. Lift it up, you'll hear a little bit of plastic clacking or clicking, and then you can just lift this up, and that snaps off. There's a little bit of flex in that ring, so you can remove that around the arm, and then that will expose 4 screws. So you've got 1 screw there, 1 screw there, and then you've got exactly the same on the other side. So what you need then is your crosshead screwdriver, and literally just loosen off the screws. A magnetic screwdriver will be useful for this because they are recessed and actually quite difficult to get to. So 1, 2, then on the other side. And there are 4 screws. So once you've done that, then you can just grab this arm. There is actually a pin at this top. So in this top section, there's a metal lug which fits in there. So what you want to do is lift up the bottom and prise it up and then pull away. You'll see there's that lip in the top. So that will expose then the vessel mounting points. If you want to put it back together, all you do is with that metal lug, line that up first of all with the top section. And then when it falls in, it'll fall into place. And then you just put your screws back in and put the covers back on. So there we go. There is how to remove the standard stand from your ASUS ROG Strix XG27W. Maybe the same for other models, similar models in the range of the XG range. So yeah, take a look at it. If it looks similar, it should be the same. Also, you will find that the RGB stuff on the back here will actually still work, but unfortunately the ROG on the bottom, the illumination won't. So if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to click on the subscribe icon at the bottom and also the chime notification, and you'll be notified of future video releases. So I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.